Imagine searching through hundreds of emails, meeting notes, documents, even videos and images, and finding exactly what you need instantly. Dropbox just made that possible with its latest AI upgrade to Dash, and it could seriously change how we all work. Before we dive into what's new, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with your thoughts on how AI is changing your workday. We'd love to hear from you. Dropbox is stepping up its game in the productivity race, where giants like Google and Microsoft have already embedded AI into their tools. And startups like ClickUp and Red AI are racing to make AI-powered search smarter and more efficient. Dropbox is keeping pace with its own AI tool, Dash, originally launched in 2023, and now it's getting a major upgrade. The new version of Dash goes far beyond just scanning text. It now understands content in audio, video, and image formats. So whether it's a podcast recording, a team video call, or a project sketch, Dash can pull it all together in a single search. This makes finding specific information across different types of media faster and much more intuitive. Dropbox is also introducing People Search. If you're trying to remember who worked on that Q4 strategy deck or who the expert was on that data model, Dash can now help you find them instantly by name, role, or project involvement. And for businesses using Dash, the updates are even more powerful. IT admins can now exclude sensitive files from showing up in search results, helping companies keep control of confidential data while still benefiting from AI-powered tools. But Dropbox isn't stopping at search. Dash now includes smarter writing tools that can take summaries from various sources, emails, documents, meeting notes, and generate new documents like project briefs or presentations. Instead of switching between apps, Dash lets you work in one place and pulls everything you need into a single coherent file. Another major leap forward is integration. Dash now connects with popular tools like Slack, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Figma, Canva, and Jira. This means Dash can search and gather information from multiple platforms across your projects, giving you a unified view of everything that matters. The bigger picture here is clear. As AI models get more advanced, companies like Dropbox are making it easier for people to not just search or summarize, but to actually create. The race now is to build features fast and make them work across the tools people are already using. Want to see where this is heading next? Check out the related video in the corner for more on how AI is shaping the future of digital workspaces.